Hi guys, my name is Martín Plascencia and I'm a part of the artistic team with Pureology, and this is Haley. Haley and I are collaborating on a back-to-school look that is both chic and practical. I start off by prepping the hair with Color Fanatic. Color Fanatic and its 21 benefits are going to help me reset the hair texture and also protect it from heat. I blow dry this into the hair with a large boar bristle paddle brush and direct the hair where I want my ponytail to land. I go in and assess my part. I then add texture finishing spray. This is going to give me grit and volume to manipulate the hair into the ponytail. Before getting started on the ponytail, I use soft finish hairspray to control any flyaways that were trimming her face. I started with the back section. I gathered the hair with Shine Bright Taming Serum for maximum shine and better control. I find that I have best control when I subdivide the hair into 3 large subsections rather than trying to manipulate one large section. I secure the base of my ponytail with an elastic cording. I incorporated the 2 sides. Pro tip, rather than spraying soft finish hairspray directly onto the hair, spray onto your brush and you have a softer application. I used Mess It Up texture paste to detail any work around the hairline. I finished off by teasing the base of the ponytail for a more voluminous pony. And there you go. What do you think?